Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, yes, if you figured, we're not at home, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the house. So, I mean, this is later in the day. What's today? Saturday. We just filmed, actually, the last video. Got that uploaded on the way here, but my grandpa, where he works at, he's checking on some stuff for some of the mechanics here, but right after we leave here, we're going to stop in Damascus and eat, and we're headed to Lowe's to check on some stuff for the house. So we're going to work on the house in this video. We're going to try to get a pantry built, if we can find materials. We're going to try to get the soft close cabinet drawers, if we can find some. Hardware on the drawers and the cabinet doors and stuff, again, if we can find them. And we might even get started on the floor in today's video. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so we're going to try to get everything tonight and maybe get started tonight. I kind of doubt it. And then we can get started tomorrow. So, like I said, when he gets done checking on this stuff in here, we're going to go eat and then head to Conway to Lowe's. Hopefully they're not as busy as they were a while ago, because a while ago it was a madhouse. So, anyway, I guess I will catch y'all in a bit. We'll see what all we can find. I have a list here on my phone of some stuff. And I also me and my grandpa made a deal on, stuck to the seat in here, but on this here sheet of paper, the dimensions and what we're thinking about using. So hopefully with this we can figure something out with the whole pantry situation. We wanted to get that done before the floors. That way we could do flooring up to the pantry and have everything seamless and all that stuff. So anyway, I guess we don't have all the flooring to do the kitchen, so we'll probably just get started. Then we'll have to get some more, unless they have some at Lowe's tonight, enough to finish the actual kitchen itself. So we'll see. I doubt we'll get it, like the floor and stuff, done tomorrow, but we do plan to get started. Finish that little spot there going into the hallway. And I know there's a spot that we're gonna have to repair right as you walk into the kitchen. So we'll have to see what all we need for that. We should have enough plywood to do that. We just need to uncover it and see what we got. So anyway, guys, like I said, I will catch y'all here in a bit when we get to Lowe's. Okay, guys, so we're here at Lowe's. I just come out of the store. My grandpa's checking out and stuff. He's looking at a couple other things, but my leg is killing me. But I come out here because we're not going to be able to get any lumber stuff, because it's 9:30. They close at 10. They're working on shutting down. They got lots of stuff in the aisles where the lumber's at and stuff. So we're gonna get that probably in the morning. It's not raining. It's supposed to rain, but you know how that goes. This is Arkansas. It may and it may not. Anyway, guys, I guess I'll catch y'all in the morning and we'll get to work. We did get some pull handles and some knobs for the cabinets and the drawers. We did get some soft close hinges that we're going to try and see if they work. Just got a little pack of them, so if they work we'll come and get more. We didn't get any soft close drawer slides, but we can get some of those tomorrow. So anyway, guys, like I said, I'll catch y'all in the morning and we'll go from there. Well, guys, We literally just got home. It's almost 11 o'clock. This dude is out here taking this pull down. Hey, whatever works. But you can see him out there. He's out there with a headlamp taking that pull down. And like I said, it's literally almost 11 o'clock. Hey, more power to you, homie. You have fun with that. But anyway, guys, like I said, I'm about to go to bed. I will catch y'all in the morning. Alright, guys, so it is now the next day. Well, it might be the same day. I don't remember if I filmed this morning or not. But anyway, it's raining, so come back, went ahead, started removing stuff from up top here, all this stuff that my grandma had, and we're about to get started. Need to take this out, need to move this stuff, and you know, some other stuff. With our pantry, we are going to have to make a hole there for that outlet, but that shouldn't be a big deal. I think today we're just going to work on the floor and getting this ready for the pantry to go in. Alright, guys, so it doesn't seem like we've done a whole lot today, but it is almost 6:30, so we're about to call it for the day. But we did get some stuff organized in here. We're going to take a bunch of stuff out to the motorhome, but we got a bunch of stuff here. We got a bunch of this stuff moved out of here. I can get this machine set up over there and whatnot. This stuff we still got to go through. Gotta go through all that. Some of this stuff, this is trash. Need to get a picture frame for this, and then this stuff. This stuff stays in here. No, this stuff stays in here. This is going in the RV. All this is going in the RV. We got this stuff here. We got all that stuff. Stuff there. There's stuff everywhere that we're taking out there. So my grandpa is backing his blue truck in to the front porch. We'll get everything loaded in there. But we did get, like I said, everything off here. Most of the stuff off the walls. That is screwed to the wall. That we need to move the table for that. So, and then over here we got this dishwasher. This dishwasher actually works, but it leaks. So we'll do something with that. Get these off the wall at some point. Need to clean the table off here in a minute, but I'm gonna. There he is. So we're gonna get this stuff loaded in the back of the truck and take it to the RV, and then I might move this stuff here in a bit. Have to get a screw gun for those, but after that, I guess we'll go from there. But we're probably about to call it a day and not worry about what's in these yet. Alright, guys, so we got all of that stuff in the truck. The guy just showed up to start on the pool again. It's raining. Well, you have fun with that. But I mean, you can see in here we made a huge dent in this. So like I said, some of this stuff is junk. Some of the stuff, but like I was saying, some of the stuff we still have to go through, you know, look at it and whatnot. So we'll do that sometime or another. What else? We're gonna have to go here in a minute. So we'll get these off in the next video, because we gotta go get groceries and do all that Sunday stuff that we always do. So anyway, we did get hinges. I'm gonna clean off the table here, and we'll look at those real quick as well. Okay, so clear off a little spot here on the table. I gotta get the rest of the stuff off of here. But anyway, one thing I thought was pretty cool too. Figured I would mention this. That is my hand when I was younger. It's a little bit of difference. And this one was when I was 5 or 6. That's pretty cool. But anyway, here's some of the stuff we bought last night. So we have a filter for our shop vac. We have the hinges. We got, I'll get those in a second. More filters for shop vacs. Some different hinges, some different style hinges. These are overlay hinges, and these are just regular soft close hinges. These are a little bigger. So I don't know if it'll make any difference, but we got both to just try them out. And then we had some hardware here. I'll get a couple of these unpackaged and we'll take a look at them real quick. Alright, so this is kind of what we picked out. So we looked at a bunch of these and we found these. Oh, these were stainless. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like these. But these are the larger ones. These are gonna go on the doors themselves, and then these is the same style. Wanted to keep the same style as those. And these are gonna go on the doors down here. So we're not gonna get these on today, but we will get these on at some point in time. So hopefully everything works out there. We got enough of those. These we got 10 of them just to kind of see how we liked them. And then if you don't, you simple unscrew them and put a new one on. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna do some more cleaning here. We'll end up the video, but sorry we didn't get much done today. We were gonna try to fix this spot. There's this little spot in the floor here. That's why we had torn some of this up. But there's a spot here in the floor that needs fixed, and then there's that spot over there that needs fixed, and into the hallway. We're gonna try to do that, but I mean it's 6:30, so not gonna get to that today. But I guess we'll get it another day. And the reason why we're cleaning that out in there is just for the sake of when we take stuff out of here, we can put it in there. It's out of the way. You're not filling up the living room, so on and so forth. So I guess this is the perks of living in a house while you're remodeling, in a way. So it is what it is. But like I said, I'm gonna clean off this table here and we'll probably end out the video there. Okay, so got that cleaned off for the most part. But thought I would show y'all. The guy just stopped by to make sure that it hadn't fallen over or anything. But as y'all can see, he's getting the pool tore down. So maybe by the next video it'll be gone. I don't know what we're gonna put there, but kind of hate to see the thing leave. But at the same time, we're not doing anything with it. So maybe at some point or another, I might get another one, a bit smaller one. That's, I think, a 15,000 gallon. I think it was 27 feet, one side to the other. So it's a bit big for just a couple people. But anyway, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully, we can get this done soon. We can get back to the automotive stuff. That's the goal. I'm trying to get this done. But I really want to get back to the cars. But anyway, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Thank y'all for watching.